know many of you don't know my workshop or my herb drying workshop. This is it behind me. So I'm visiting Ibadan. I have my workshop here in Ibadan. Now this interesting plant is called Acalypha indica. Look at it very well. I'm very sure that many of you know it. Okay, many of you know it. You just don't know its name or its uses, and I will tell you some of its uses. Now remember, if some of you will remember, I have posted something about something for treating ringworm made from green or unripe almond, Indian almond fruits. Unfortunately, I cannot get Indian almond fruits anymore, so I have to fall back on other things to be able to make skincare for certain types of skin infections like ringworm, and this works beautifully in combination with other herbs. So we use this Acalypha indica to make a tincture and skincare like creams for ringworm, and it's very, very effective. Yeah, so I'm gathering some which I'm going to take back to